get pumped.
Let it run 3. And hold. And we have alignment. Are you ready? Attention, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Eyes up. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go! 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 Whew, don't celebrate. I think.
I didn't hit your paddle. Sorry.
Well done!
Oh, right there, Dad.
Way
better.
Holy shit.
Felt better. Yeah.
Everybody make sure you are nice and low as the weight goes by.
Oh!
Keep your weight low. Keep your weight low.
What is going on?
I don't know.
All right, stop the boat.
Stop the boat. Ooh.
Oh, shit!
Turn the boat right where it is. You may need some back paddles to do that.
Oh my gosh.
How do we do?
I think we did good. I'm just still afraid of falling out.
Well, at least if you fall out, the boat won't go over your head.
True. Yeah.
Race it, guys. Wait for his command. You may make
Okay, let it ride, guys. That was perfect.
like
You didn't ask for it, but that goes down the middle. I like big little
I don't know, but I felt like that was better than the first time. Yeah.
He,
Better.
I said go a little too soon. Oh my gosh.
All right, that was really very, very good. All right, paddles up. Tail forward.
Oh my gosh. 2.